Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back in my kitchen and I'm very excited to be home. It's cold, not so sunny, but I'm home and I'm ready to cook. And I'm making, I just want something kind of nice and spicy and delicious and easy. So I'm making a lovely potato sabji. It's super simple, straightforward, and it'll only take me a few minutes to prepare. So let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And yeah, let's get on with the cooking. So I have got here 4 to 5, as always, red onions. Actually, I'm going to take 6. I am making this for 10 people, so you can just half the quantity. And yeah, so I am going to peel them and chop them up first. So this is, as always, my favorite variety of potatoes to use, and like I've said earlier, they grow locally and they are great all-rounder and especially really good for Indian food. So yeah, I use them for all my cooking really. And once they are peeled, I don't want massive pieces, so I just want like cubes, not too small, not too big, like an inch big, this size. So I'm gonna peel and chop them all like this. So I have got a pan here and I've got enough oil for shallow frying, and it's ready and hot, and I'm going to shallow fry these potatoes in batches until they're golden. Once you start to see the golden outline on the potatoes, only then stir it. There we go. Look at that. So I'm going to get this out on a plate with some clean kitchen roll to absorb extra oil, and I'm going to fry the next lot. That's the last round of potatoes on. That's the ones that are cooked. And while the last thing is on, I'm going to thinly slice 4 to 5 onions. You can decide how many you want to use. I am, remember, cooking for 10. So yeah, you can half the quantities of everything. Now that the potatoes are done, the onions are ready, I am going to reduce the oil from this because this is a lot of oil. I don't need so much oil. So I'm only going to keep 2 to 3 tablespoons and get rid of the rest of them. And in this oil, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and then the onions. And I'm going to give this 8 to 10 minutes to become nice and golden. Look at these onions. It's taken 10 minutes on slow medium heat, but they are beautifully evenly cooked and caramelized. So now I can add the spices. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of garam masala, teaspoon of chili, and a teaspoon of chaat masala. Give it a mix. Last, a teaspoon of ground cumin. They look so good. And now we'll add the potatoes. Now a good mix. This does smell really good. Get this ladle at the bottom, and so that you don't break the potatoes. This needs a little bit of time to cook with the spices, so I'm going to put a lid on it and give it 10 minutes on low heat. And it's been 10 minutes. Just make sure that the potatoes are cooked. Perfect. And before I serve it, I'm gonna add tons of coriander and mix it up so it's running through the whole sabji and not just a garnish. And that's the sabji ready. You can have it with the best combination would be layered paratha or just some carom seed salt paratha, which is namak ajwain. Everything is on the channel. You can find it. Just type the words and search it up. And if you want, you can serve it on the side of some dal and some rice. That's a great combination as well. Whatever you do, hope you'll try it and enjoy it. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now. And if you guys watched me over my Italian adventure, thank you so much for joining me. If you watched the series, if you didn't, you can check it out on the channel. It's there. I really had a great time exploring the farms in Italy and all of them were amazing. This food, the bakes were just incredible, but my highlight was the blood orange farm. I will never forget the taste of the oranges that I had there from the farm, right, fresh, plucked and cut and eaten. Oh, absolutely incredible.